Hey guys, welcome back to the H Guy YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. If yes, then glory be to God Almighty. Today we are not going to be doing tutorial, but we are going to be focusing on how you can mock up your design, how you can download a mockup, and you can mock up your design with Photoshop. Definitely, I'll be teaching you a lot of techniques, so don't skip this ending of this tutorial. Please don't skip it because all the information I'm going to be sharing here, they're going to be useful to you. Okay, so and then I'm going to be giving out my my graphic design bundles, but I'm going to be locking it. So watch this video carefully so you can discover the password for the bundles also. So without wasting much of time, let's get down to the business. Let's assume you want to mock up a flyer. So let's assume, what is mockup? Mockup is actually on how you want your design to be in real life, like bringing out design in real life with design. Okay, can you understand? I don't know if I can design, if I can divine it better than that. So let me show you an example of mockup. Let's assume this is. Let me go to my download. So let's assume this is mockup. This is a mockup. Actually, this is a mockup. So I bring this one to life. How it will be when they actually print it out and put it on the big board like this. So let me search for that mockup. I don't think I do mockup. Very okay. This one is actually in a mockup. So you can see it. So you can actually do all this with your smartphone. This one too is actually a mockup. This one too is actually a mockup. So how can we do that? So let's begin the journey together. This one is actually a mockup. So can you see it? So without wasting much of your time, let me teach you how to download a mockup and how you can do that. So before you go to any place, the first app you need to download is Zachiver. This is what I use. This Zachiver is what I use. So it's one of the best. It's one of the best app to use for compressing some PSD file or some font. So let's get down to the business of today. So let's assume you want to mock up or you want to download a mockup. So I will advise you, we have so many sites to download a mockup, like freepik.com, psdfile.com, and antonybot something like that. So I'm going to be listening to it. You're going to be getting there too. So let's assume I want to mock up a flyer. So I won't go to any website. No, just go to your Google search engine. You can use Chrome. I use Chrome for mine, so you can actually see it. I use Chrome for mine. So you click on your Chrome or you click on anyone you want to use. So let's assume I want to design, like I want to mock up a flyer. So what let me say a flyer is too common. Let me say I want to mock up I want to mock up a billboard. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click on it. I'm going to write download billboard mockup PSD. So just write it like this. So can you see it? Freepik is the first site they brought. So can you actually see it? So they bring free.mockup.com. So you can actually see this one. So you can actually see a lot. Yeah. So what am I going to do? Now the next time I'm going to do is go to my images. Click on the images. Go. So can you see billboard? So can you see? So can you see billboard? Can you see a lot of billboard there? So let's assume I want to use standing mockup. Okay. So they will actually give you a lot. So this one is banner mockup. So banner mockup. So I'm going to show you how to download one. So this is actually one. So let's assume I want to. Okay, I have this one already. So there's no need for me to download it again. So let's assume I want to download something like this. I'm coming. I'm going to I want one that I don't have, so I can download it now. One that I don't have. I'm coming. Okay, let me go back. I think this one I don't have them. So actually coming. So let's assume I want this. So what am I going to do? The next thing I'm going to do is to click on visit. So can you see it? So when you click on the visit, the next thing you're going to do is to find the mockup you're looking for. the mockup you want to download. So just find it. I don't really remember the one that I want to use safe that's taking over my body. So just look for it. Okay. So just find the one you want to download yourself. Actually, I would have loved to get this one, the photorealistic billboard banner. I would have loved to get it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on more info or download. So I'm going to click on that. So let's wait for it. So can you see they brought it again? So you're looking for download free. So can you see it? Click on download. So yeah, thank you for downloading. So we're just waiting for them. Download. So just have to be patient with them. They might direct more than 3 times. Just have to be patient with them. Can you see it again? Download again. So I think this is the last one. Good. It will be a lot of MB. So you spend a lot of data. So okay, just this one is actually 6.337 MB. There's a one that you will spend like 100 and something MB, 200 and something MB. So free bus stop, billboard banner. So let's assume you have downloaded it. So what is the next thing I'm going to do now? The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this free bus. Then can you see it? It has brought out Zachiver. So what am I going to do? Just one. Click on open with Zachiver, just one. So can you see it? So can you see the free bus? Click on it again. Then click on extract. So you can click on this one. Then you extract it to where you want to extract it. So I'm going to extract it on PSD file. So you click on this one right now. This one. So can you see it? Free bus. So what is the next I'm going to do now? You have downloaded it and we have compressed it already. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this Chrome again. So now we are going to photopea.com to mock it up. So I'm going to tell you how to get size. How to get the size so that you can actually use it to mock it up. So now let's assume you've downloaded the PSD file, you don't know the size actually. So the next thing we're going to do is to click on file, click on open. So when you click on open, you're going to click on file from gallery again. So you go to wherever your PSD file is. So where is it? So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to my Zachiver, then PSD file. So free bus. Let me find the free bus stop. So let's assume this is the free bus stop. So you are going to wait for it to load. So it has actually loaded. So can you see that I don't really know the size of the of the mockup? So now I might have designed any design. Open. Okay, let's actually input a design. So let's actually see file. So you click on file again. You click on open and place. So when you click on open and place, you click on file. So you go to wherever your image you want to use. Your image is. So let's assume pixellab. So let's assume I want to mock up this for Saibuka. Okay, let's assume I want to use this one. So you see that it won't be actually the same size. So you're going to wait for it. Okay, actually it's the size actually. Okay, actually the size. So good. So this one is actually the size. Good. So after that, the next thing coming. So let me put it very well. Okay. So I hope you get it. So this is file. You click on open and play, click on file, then you click on open and play. So when you click on open and play, it actually brought it out, but it ought not to bring it out like this. So we're going to do that one. So I'm coming. I said it. I'm coming. Let me put it save as good. I thought as much. So I thought as much. So whenever you let's start from beginning again. Let's assume file, you click on your file, then you click on open, then you go to your PSD file again, then free. I have a lot of PSD file here, so you can actually see it. Free bus stop. So when you click on free bus stop now, it's supposed to show the image you saw when you wanted to download it. So since it didn't show it and you can't input your design like this, so if you input it, it's not going to work out. So what are we going to do? You click on layer. Actually, not this layer you are seeing up here, not this one actually. Not this layer you're actually seeing, not this layer. So I'm going to show you the layer you are going to use. So this is the layer. This one is what they call layer here. This one. This. Good. So you click on it, you click on the layer once. So when you click on the layer, you will see where the right place your design here. So what are you going to do? You double click it. So can you see? Then you edit the eye, the two eyes. So this is actually the size of the image you will input. So how do you get the size in your pixellab? So this is the logic I use. So the first thing I'm going to do is to screenshot it. So when I screenshot it, I will have to bring it up like this. If you are using this kind of smartphone I'm using, it will actually bring out something like this. Then you crop it. So you have to be careful when cropping it. Crop it. Crop it. Crop it. Crop it. So can you see it? Now, what am I going to do back? I'm going to go back to my pixellab. Nobody taught me this. I discovered it myself. Okay, I wanted to design something before. So how do you get the exact size? So the next thing I'm going to do is to click here. Click here. Good. So you click here. Then you use image from gallery. So the image you use now, the image you screenshot, you choose it. So can you see it? So this is the size. So now you go back to your background. You click on it, then you click on image size. So you've gotten the background 875 1280. I guess I have something like this. The 875 1280. I have an image like that. The one that I just mock up. So let's go back. So now you can actually not start your design. Then you design it to your taste with this size. So after you have done this size, you go back to here. So when you go back to here, you double click it. Then you already hit these two layers. What are you going to do? You click on file again. Then you click on open and place. Good. So I told you before that I have an image of this size before. At least it image of this size before. So let's go. So you are going to see something now. So can you see it? Actually the same size. So what I'm going to do now? The next time I'm going to do is to click on file again. Then you click on save smart object. So you are going to save it now. So can you see it right now? Free. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to, so when you click on, when the object said smart object updated, you click on free again. The PSD file you put it. So can you see that it's not showing? So what am I going to do? You click on your layer again. Then you click on this. So can you see it? You click on background again. So let's check it now. So can you see it? So can you see that this thing have showed? So that is how to mock up your design. You can actually download flyer onto. I would have done flyer onto. So let's go with flyer. So what am I going to do now? You click on file. Then you click on export as PNG. I use PNG for most of my work here. So you can export it. So when you export it, you're going to wait for it. Then you click on save. So can you see it? So now you can actually leave it like this. Good. So what is the next I'm going to do now? So let's assume you want to download flyer on. You're going to be coming back to pixellab. So let's assume then you can actually click on download flyer mockup PSD for free. Good, let's go. Leave. I've downloaded that one already. Now good. They show free pick first. Free pick is the best place for me to download my mockup. Then atoning board. Then I have what they call it, PSD file. So can you see it? So can you see a lot of it? So can you see a lot of PSD file here? So can you see a lot of flyer on? So you can actually do the same. Actually the same. You can actually do the same. You don't go to Pinterest. This Pinterest is not a mockup. Pinterest is not mockup. So okay, we have dribble.co is actually a place to download mockup. I have a lot of this mockup. I have downloaded it already. So let's assume because the MB is too high. So that's why I can't download it now. I don't do it because the MB is too high. So you can see a lot of here. So just go back to the process, the downloading, the compressing, and the mockup on Photoshop and the size also. So I think we are done with this lecture. So don't forget that I actually told you that I will be putting a link of my materials, my graphic design materials here for free. So check the video very well. Then the password will be there. Thank you for watching up till now. Thank you.
Hey creator, thanks for watching up till now. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.